Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Stash, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Stash app from the App Store or Google Play. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a secure password. Complete the registration process by following the prompts to verify your email. Once logged in, take a moment to explore the app's interface. Navigate to the investment section to see various options available. Review the different investment accounts offered, such as personal or retirement accounts. Select the account type that best suits your financial goals. After choosing your account, set up your funding method by linking a bank account. Determine how much money you'd like to invest initially. Consider starting with a smaller amount to get comfortable with the process. Customize your investment portfolio by selecting from the themed investment categories. Read through the descriptions of each theme to understand the focus and risks. Select themes that align with your values and goals, like technology or clean energy. Review the allocation of your funds across chosen themes before finalizing. Confirm your investment choices and proceed to finalize the setup. Monitor your portfolio regularly to track performance and make adjustments as needed. Utilize the educational resources available within the app to deepen your knowledge. Take advantage of the budgeting tools to help manage your spending and savings. Set savings goals within the app to keep you motivated on your financial journey. Remember to revisit your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your evolving objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.